Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of problems involving reading for the Foundations of Reading and Reading Specialist exams. I want you to use these videos to make this a game, have fun, and get better to pass these exams. Let's just jump right in with our first set of problems. Let's go. All right, team, let's do a new section on encoding. And encoding, we're going to think of a part of phonics. This part is involving taking sounds in oral language and matching them up with correct spelling patterns. So sometimes we think of it as encoding as orthographic mapping. That's the fancy name for spelling. For example, let's say we have the word ship. I'm going to write it down. So someone says the word ship, right? They say the word ship out loud. And then a student has to take the sounds that they hear and they have to match them up with the correct graphemes that represent each one of those sounds. Okay, so we're thinking ship. I hear a sh sound, so that goes with the SH. There's an I, could be an I, a P, a P. And if a student is able to correctly take sounds in oral language and match them up with their correct graphemes or spelling patterns, they've successfully spelt the word or used encoding. So this is a really a nice one to know because it's sort of the opposite of decoding, but it uses the same things, right? I mean, the opposite would be to take this and go from letters to sounds, but with encoding, we're going from sounds to letters. So it's decoding in reverse. So that's what we're going to be doing in this set of problems. Let's take a look. Let's go. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. You can see all our live classes that are coming up. You know, one nice thing about the live classes is we cover the material in real time, and then you're able to go back and you're able to study it and listen to it again. So I encourage you, if you need extra help, check out a workshop. You know, I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. All right, team, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.